Whiteboard application is your digital tool for brainstorming, collaboration, and instruction. This tutorial video will teach you how to use some basic functions. Drawing and writing. Tap the pen tool icon in the toolbar to activate it. Choose different line widths. Tap the color palette to select a color or create a custom shade. Include specialized tools like highlighters or markers. Tap the Select icon to select any object on the canvas. Then you can recolor, copy, move, rotate, resize, and delete them. Tap the Lock icon, and the object will no longer be able to be moved or edited. Tap the Unlock icon to unlock it. Tap the Move to Next Page icon to move the object to next page or other pages. Add Page. Tap the Next Page icon. A fresh, blank page will open while retaining the previous pages. Access the Page List view to jump directly to any page. Eraser tool. Tap the Eraser tool icon to erase mistakes or unwanted elements with precision.